Hello everyone, this is Ajit. Today I am going to explain about web technology fifth experiment. In this experiment, we have to find six things. First thing we have to write the function that accepts the string as a parameter and find the longest row within the string. Means in this string example as web development tutorial. Means we have to find the longest row. Let's see the code for this one. See, this is the code. First thing, we have to give the largest string in H type and some input type is equal to text, placeholder is equal to hello, means it will be take the value from the text box, and the onClick function will be give the function as if me, and for clicking the answer we have answer is we have to give in the span id is equal to s1, and we have the function and the function data type as function, and it will be given in the string as the take the value from the text box p1, and variable age equal to str split, means it works as the if the string as the in between the space it will be differentiate, and variable max is equal to a of 0 is equal to length, means the max function is used to define the number of variables in the characters, and we have to use some if some loop and also some if function. Then finally we have to find the output as document.getElement id s1 dot inner html, means we have to take the value from the text box, it will be shown in the answer. See, let's see the answer. See, I am typing the string, means hello, how are you. If we click me, it will be show the hello, means it is the largest string in this one. Let's see the second one. Second question is BMI calculator. In this BMI calculator is calculated from the equation as the weight slash height into weight. From that we have the four things. Underweight is less than 80, and also normal is 18 to 25, overweight is and obsess. Let's see the code for this one. Yeah, BMI means we have to give the kg, weight and height in the kilograms and meter. We have to type text and it will be the placeholder, enter in, we have to type the in numbers and also weight in numbers, and onClick function is value is equal to BMI. If they click the BMI, it will be show the value. Further than we have to give some span id is equal to s2. Let's see the script. And function BMI and also pass float is used for the we have to give in the string. For converting string to numbers we have to use the pass float, and also some from using the formula as bm is equal to w slash h into h, and if bm value is less than or equal to 18, it will be shown the getElement by id as s2, and the value is equal to underweight. Like that it will be greater than 80 and also less than or equal to 25, it will be shown as normal. Like that for also 25 and less than bm value is 25 less than greater than 25 and also less than or equal to 30, we have to shown as override. Like that for 30. See, let's see the answer. See, you have to give the weight as some 60 and also 18 meters as 155. If they click the BMU, the answer is BMA answer is this one, and also it will show the as underweight. Third question. Flower garden. In flower garden is it will be right in the JavaScript, and also randomly we can give the some rows and columns. It will if they click the number of rows and columns, it will be shown the answer. Let's see the code. See, flower garden, and also for rows and columns we have to type text and id is equal to rows and columns. If you click the on click button as grow, it will be show the plant garden and it will be grow the flowers. And we have to give in a script type in function as data as grow, and we have to give some images in variable array, and the for variable flower is equal to math.flow, and randomly it will be used as the probability value. For rows and columns it will be written in the pairs int as document.getElement by id as rows and columns. Some for loop we have to use here, and also if the output it will be shown in the document type, and it will be taken the value from the getElement by id. Let's see the answer. See, we have to give some rows as 2 and columns as 3. If the click the plant garden, it will show the answer. See, this is the two rows and 3 columns, and the flower is displayed here. As fourth one, the weight initiator means it will be, we have to convert the given value from LB to kg or convert to kg to LB. For that, we have to use the code as, see, this is the code as weight converter, and we have to use the input type is equal text. We have to take the data from the text box, and we have to use from and to, means if the first one and second one, for from we have to use as the option kg, and also for second one LB will be used as option. For select 2 as used as select id equal to 2. For that also for kg as option and LB as option types. And if they click the on click convert, it will show the value as calculate, and the span value will be displayed in the id equal to answer, and the answer is, let's see the answer. See here, convert, we have to give some value as 32, and we have to convert kg to LB, and if we click the calculator, it will show the answer is 70.54782384. Yeah. Let's go to the fifth question. Coin flip. Coin flip means here we have the heads and tails. If they click the some flip, it will go to the head, and it will be, if we click the flip, it will be convert to the head to tail. Let's see the code. A toss coin and some type input type is equal to button from value is equal to flip, and it will be given the div tag id is equal to flip, and we have to give some image, and for heads and tails we have to give in a span type id is equal to s3 and s4, and for converting the values we have the values variable h is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0, and function type as flip. For converting this one we have to use this one, variable ht is equal to match dot floor to 2 into match dot random 2 dot random, and we have to give in the switch type as case h. If it is h, it will be converted to the h in increment h plus plus, and it is h, it will be incremented to the t one value. Let's see the answer. See, here we have to flip the button, it will be show number of tiles is equal to 1. Again we have to flip, heads is 1. If the flip, number of heads is 2. Last question as sixth one, pizza order form. Here we have three types of pizza: small, large, and medium. For and also we have some tax 10%, 20%, 30%. Let's see the code for this one. As pizza order form, and we have the three types of pizza: small, medium, and large, and it will be given in the input type digital text as id is small, medium, and large. And for calculating the text, we have the some label input type is equal to as given as radio button, value is equal to 10, 15, and 20. For calculating the pizza, we have to click on click is equal to pizza, calculate order, and we have to given in the field set button. And for function type as pizza, for calculating the small, medium, and large, we have to give as the taken the value from get element by id value, and also for calculating the tax variable total is equal to, and if you want small one 100 into s plus, and if you want medium 200 into m, and if you want large 400 into large, and if you want both we have to calculate as these three things we have to add. For tip is equal to tip slash how much tip you want to give into total. For calculating the order, we have to take in the value as input document.get element by id, and as price value it will be displayed. Let's see the answer. See here, if how many small pizzas if you want, you have to give 2, or if you don't want medium pizzas you have to give 0 value, and if you don't want large pizzas as 0, u as 0, and how much if you want to is if is equal to 10%. If you are click the calculator button, it will show the order as cost of order is equal to 220. See, these are all the 16 we have to calculate. Thank you for watching.